So there it is, boys and girls. She's running again. Had a little trouble with the distributor because I got it off time and I had to go borrow a tool and shit. I don't even have a spark plug wrench. How about that? Not big enough. This one's got the big plugs in it. So Jerry got her back running, and we're just letting her heat up so we can fill up the radiator there. But you can see, sounds pretty decent. Gonna give a little gas here. See what you think. I don't know how good it sounds. I had it timed perfectly before the gas consumption. I know. The last time I timed that shit, I did it on fuel economy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I did that shit on fuel economy over there. You know what I'm saying? So every day I drove the same amount. You know? Drove the same amount there, and wherever I got the best gas mileage, you know? That's why I set the time, and so the engine looks a lot better there, you know. So we won't know if it's leaking until I guess I drive it to work, but hopefully that fixed the problem. You know? Geez, I hope so. There's a lot of bullshit going through fixing this bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Purring pretty good. Looks better. Looks better. Black valve covers. I'll paint that rust right there with some stuff and make it black too. That's the new water pump. Rusted up immediately within 2 days of being on the car. Alright, that's it. Sailor Jerry, the Mustang Medic.